Going to show you how to automate Angular app on Git repo. At the same time, I am showing how to deploy Angular app on aws ec2 server and with Git CI/CD actions. Okay, so I just created my project on locally. So see, my app is my project. I'm just running my project on locally. Okay, so see, this is the basic Angular app. Okay. So now I'm just starting the app ng serve, or you can use npm also, npm start also. No worries about that. So now the project will start on localhost 4200, right? So now I will push this local project to Git repo. And after that, I'll deploy the same repo project onto AWS EC2 instances, Linux instances. Okay. And after that, I will do some changes on my local. Okay. That changes will be reflected on live. Okay. So let me wait for that. So first we need to check the project is running on local machine or not. So in this demo, I'm just going with the basic, very basic project, Angular project. So if you are good at the UI and Angular things, you can build a beautiful UI. See, the compiling has been started. It will take a little bit time. Yes. Now it is going to run on localhost 4200 port. Due to space issues or yeah, now see, it is automatically opening the localhost 4200 with my in my local browser, right? So see, it is compiled successfully and it is running on HTTP localhost 4200. So now I'm just canceling this. Okay, Control C means the project is not running on browser now. If you go and refresh, it will not serving on browser. Why? Because I just stopped the uh, things on the browser local terminal. Now I need to push this Angular project to Git repo. For that, I'm just creating new project Git repo. Sorry. Okay, I'm just giving it. Mostly you can keep it on private. As of now, no worries about that public, and this is basic, very basic project. So now we need to do these things on your local machine. Okay, I'm just pushing one by one. I'm doing these steps into one by one to push my local project into Git repo. Sorry, it is not copied properly. So Git init. After that, Git add dot. You can add only one file or you can add entire. Okay, here the thing is they just added the readme file. They have written echo thing, so it is showing like this. You can check Git status after adding. See, it is showing only it is added only one file. So you can add this one, no issues about that. CLS, and now if you check the status of Git, so now it is been staged. You can just add or commit -m first commit. So first file is inserted. So now I'm just doing branch and I'm just adding this remote URL and git push. Oh, sorry, git push -u origin main. So something metro. Oh, sorry, something went wrong on my screen. So let me check it. Git add dot git commit -m first commit. So nothing to commit. Git add remote origin http git. Okay, we need to change the branch. So it is showing like this. Git branch -m main. So now we are in main branch. So again, you can use this same URL, add repository. Oh, sorry, it is not copied properly. So it's showing already exists. Git push -u origin. Oh, sorry, main. See, now the project, I think only the README file has been updated to this repo. Let me check with this. Yeah, now the project has been updated to uh, Git repo, right? So initial commit, it is showing initial commit. No worries about that. So now you need to deploy the same project on your EC2 machine. Okay. I just launched my services on AWS and the server is on running. No, so now I need to connect to SSH. So I'm just connecting with some other terminal, or we can connect to putty also. No issues about that. So I'm just connecting to putty. You can just pass the host name or browse. You must browse your PPK file, and I'm just changing the fonts here itself. Okay. So now you must log in as user. For my mission, EC2-user is the username. So it will connect to the screen. Yeah. First, you need to update your missions for the first time. Why? Because it is asking to update there. So after updating, you need to check whether the Git is initialized or not. Okay. In the local machine, you have Node installed. So the project has been running. So you must install Node.js on Linux machine, also your server also. Okay. Let me do that quickly. So now I'm just quickly checking Git version is installed or not by using git ---- version. See, it is not installed here. So I'm just installing here by using sudo yum install git -y. It will include all the packages on the git. Okay, now git version has been installed. You can check with git -version. See, the git version is installed. So now I need to install Node.js. For that, no worries. If you don't know the commands, you can directly go to AWS document, AWS EC2 Node.js. Okay, you can directly open the document from Amazon site itself. They will provide step by step to install Node versions. So simply copy this command and paste it. So again, you need to copy it. Next command. Sometimes you will it will shows you sorry, I think I need to run this lst command. Yeah, sometimes it will not accept you as a user mode. You must run with sudo user. Okay, root user. So now I'm just clearing the screen. Node -v and npm -v. So both things are installed. So now I need to get the project into my uh, Linux machine. So for that, you need to go to GitHub repo and go to actions. See here, I'm just using Node.js, right? So click on configure. But for writing some AML script, see here, I'm just removing the pull request. I'm just only keeping the push request. Means when the user pushes the updated code, then only it will updates on the live. Okay. So self-hosted. I'm just removing the Ubuntu latest and self-hosted. Okay. And the version of the node is, if you observe here, v16. The version of the node is v16. So remove these two versions we don't require. And then here we don't run these commands. I'm just keeping the following commands and npm install. And after that, I need to start my project. That's it. This is very basic project. So I just passing two commands here on the script. So start commit. Okay, now the file will be created on actions. Okay, so again you need to go to settings for making configuration with your server. Go to actions, click on runners. See here the runners are showing no runners are there. So click on new self-hosted runner. Choose your mission. You can use Windows, Mac or Linux. Currently we are working with Linux mission. So choose Linux. You need to copy one by one and you need to paste the following commands on your server terminal. So I'm just copying, pasting the commands. It's simply creating one folder and it is navigating to that folder. And it is bringing some curl command into the script. So now, see, you may get sometimes some not found. For that, you need to install. Mostly this issue will be occurs on Linux machines. Okay. So for that, you need to run the following command. Okay. In Ubuntu, you don't worry to install this command. So it is asking you must do some root. You must run this command as a root. So I'm just running the command as a root. And after that, repeat the same as this one. SHA some not found, right? While clicking this and command enter. So now it will not shows that one. See action. Okay, click on OK. And then not required. So now you need to tar extract that file. So now it will extract the actioner. The action runner is nothing but our folder and the mission Linux running mission. So it is showing like that. So now you need to config it. And then finally we have connected with GitHub actions from the Linux mission. Here I am just moving with default. If you want any changes, you can enter uh, the things what they ask. Okay. Now for now I am just entering skip here. Now the runners added successfully to Linux machine. I'm just entering. So settings are saved. Clear the screen. Now, if you refresh the console, the runner will show here. It will take some time actually. So if you see, it is showing offline. Okay, you must make it as active. Then only it will make here instead of offline. It will show you active. How to do that? See, after cloning the GitHub Actions configuration with Linux mission, it is showing following things. You must run sudo dot slash svc dot sh. Okay, you must run these file. Install. Okay, see it is installed. See it has created one syslink and it will starts the following. And again you need to run start instead of install. Then only the action runners will be keeping on running mode. Okay, if you go to GitHub Actions, refresh it. it will shows now in active mode, means our project has been become live. Okay, we need to see the project on live on the browser, like localhost port with the port on the local machine. Now for now, I'm just navigating to home ec2-user and then clearing the screen. For that, for seeing our content on a browser, I'm just installing Nginx. Okay, Nginx-y. Okay, see, Nginx is not there, so it is asking to use this following command to install Nginx. Okay, no worries about that. So you can go with the following commands what they have given. See, sometimes the platform will not shows the commands, but the same commands will work on some different platforms. Okay, no worries about that. It will shows you the updated commands. Then you can use the easy commands. So now Linux, I have installed Nginx on the Linux machine. So after that, you need to start the services of that machine. Service Nginx start. Okay, it is started. If you go and copy the IP of your server, okay, public IP of your server, paste it on browser. It is showing welcome to Linux, welcome to Nginx on Linux machine. See, the root path of this page is located in this path. User share Nginx HTML. You need to change your project path uh, by replacing this URL. Okay, let me go to the terminal, home, EC2 user and action listener runner, sorry, action runners. So now my project is located on work folder. Okay, I need to go to work folder and ls. See here it is showing Angular app. Okay, you need to go to that path and again it is showing Angular app here. Again you need to go to that path and now here is my project. I need to start my project, but it already passed from the YAML script. No issues to start the path from here. Simply hit pwd. Okay, present working directory. So copy your path and place it in your some text pad, notepad or whatever. Okay, so now clear the screen. Now you need to go to nginx conf file. For that nginx folder, you need to go nginx.conf file. You need to change the root file where in browser it is showing like this. You should put your content in a location and you need to edit the root configuration. So here it is showing. Okay, so now you need to replace here with your path of your project. Okay, this one, just copy this and go to terminal. Press I in the keyboard, then only it will become insert mode and slowly scroll down to your, see it is showing, see root, it is showing the path here. You need to uh, you need to change here. Instead of changing the current thing, I'm just keeping root. Okay, and I'm just pasting the my project URL here. Okay, and simply scroll down. You must see, you need to place location slash means it will runs on uh, the root path, proxy path http localhost. Okay, 4200. Okay, and then close the curly braces and press escape shift : WQ exclamation mark. See, it is showing you cannot open this file. Why? Because you didn't open this file with root user. So you must do one thing. You need to comment what the lines you have written. Okay. Now I'll just press escape colon quiet. Okay. Now you must change to root. See, now EC2 user becomes as root user, means he has the root privileges. He can change the thing on the conf file. So vi nginx.conf. Now scroll down to the path where you commented. I think it will be removed. Why? Because it has been removed. You have written some as a EC2 user, right? So it has been removed. So no worries. You can return again, write again, copy the path of your project and paste it here and semicolon, and then scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and location slash curly braces open and give some space proxy pass. Okay, HTTP localhost. You may ask one question, like you may get some query like how did you give this path? I will show you, no issues about that. Okay, press escape shift colon wq exclamation mark and then service nginx restart. So sorry, I given wrong spell of service. Service. Okay, it has been restarted. Let me go to this page, restart this. Now see, my project is running on particular IP. Okay, this is how you can do GitHub actions deployment CI/CD. But you have to know how the things will happen if something the developer do some changes on this application on GitHub actions. Go to see. First, I will show you actions. See, it is showing the YAML file. If you open this YAML script, build 16. See, you will find Angular running with localhost 4200 on this script. Okay, so it will shows it is running, but so I just passed the 2 lines of script on the nginx.conf. Okay, now I will do some changes on this app. I will push the updated content to this repo from my local. Let me do that. So I'm just opening. Okay, I will just try to change the title. Okay, let me check it. Yeah. Okay. Let me check with this cat command app.components.html. No, it is showing something different. We can change, but it is purely in CSS mode. So better to go with some other file. Okay. So I'll just open some other file instead of doing player cat. I'll go with components.ts. See, it is showing some few lines comment. So title, if I change my title is nothing but in this one. Okay, I think my app is my title. So let me check it, or we'll go with another file. Let me check with index.html. Yes, title. It will replace here. Okay, on the browser tab, my app. So I'll just open this page, index.html on my local machine. I will do some changes on the title to the title name. Okay. Press I and so something went wrong here. Yes. Yeah. I'm just writing Angular app. Angular space app. Save. Press escape. WQ exclamation mark. So now if you hit git status, some file is changed. It is showing modified the index file. So you need to push that file. You need to push that file to updated repo. So git add index.html. I'm just adding only one file. Why? Because I directly changed that file. Okay. Now git commit -m added or changed content. Changed index title. Okay. Whatever you can give whatever the things. Now if you git status, check with git status, it is showing you just need to git push. Okay, see, I just try to, it is rejected. Why? Because you need to pull first. Why? Because you have added git YAML file there on the project level, so you need to pull first. So it is showing here, you need to ignore it. Okay, or press escape. Okay, now the see the YAML file will be there. Okay, I think it is in hidden mode. ls -a. Yeah, it is in hidden mode. No issues. So now if you put push that file, the updated file will be go and sit into the git repo. Okay. So now if you observe here, refresh the git repo. See the index. Where is the index? We changed index title. Okay, 1 minute ago. So I need to reflect. I need to see the same on this page, right? But as of now, you need to go to actions. See, the second one is there, but the currently the previous one is running. So just stop the previous job, cancel it. So automatically, so it is still in progress. Let me refresh it. Still it is showing progress. It is showing the updated one is showing in queued mode. It will run after taking time. And just let me wait. I think some network issues are there. Still it is running. Just canceling. Yeah, now the updated job is running. Means the updated thing is going to run. If you open actually my network is not good. Yeah, so it is taking time here. See now now it will update there on without going to server. After some time it will reflect here. If you refresh it, the Angular app is updated. Got it? So you can do some good if you are good in UI part, you can do some changes and you can design your web apps, and you can do CI/CD with GitHub actions. Okay, like this. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and comment how you works, or if you are facing any issues, you can paste the same thing on the comment part. Thank you. Thanks for that.